Make sankalpa with the universe, you feel that the divine energy is flowing from top to bottom and bottom to top, and the universe has started healing you. First, let us invoke the two beautiful energy, the beautiful divine cosmic energy of the Mother Earth and the cosmos energy, the universe. So feel that your both the legs are completely fixed in the floor, and then Muladhara Chakra, Mother Earth is red in color, earth energy. Flow the divine energy from the core of the Mother Earth is flowing through your feet, your ankle, your calf muscle, your knee, and then your thighs, and reaching the Muladhara Chakra, which is in between your anus and the perineum. So, this energy is always loving you, always nourishing you. You are never alone. And this energy stabilizes you, supports you, and grounding you always. We tell somebody na they are down to earth, that only. They are always connected with the earth, whatever may be situation. You know your mother earth is there with you. Now gently focus the attention towards the top of your head, the crown chakra. For visualization purpose, feel there is a funnel on the top of the head and divine cosmic energy, maybe blue color, golden color, whatever you feel, is flowing through the top of the head, and it is flowing through the head, both the sides of the head, back of the head, entire face. Feel the divine energy filling, and then it is coming down to the face, all organs of the face, it is filling your shoulder blades till the tip of your finger, and then it is coming down entire front side, heart, chest, lungs, abdomen and lower abdomen, upper back, middle back, and lower back, and it is gently blending with the earth energy. The beautiful blending of cosmic energy and the energy of the Mother Earth. This is happening where? This is happening inside me. So I am always, if I invoke, this energy is flowing through me. I am that divine. I am part and parcel of that divinity. There is a divine soul inside me. So, and this is what? It is a merger of Adi Shiva and Adi Shakti, Purusha and Prakriti, Cosmos and the Mother Earth. They are completely, now see, the earth energy is flowing from the feet and the cosmic energy is flowing from top to bottom. The divine elixir is filling all your body part. Wherever you have itching, send the divine light to those areas and feel, for example, feet maximum, send those divine elixir, blue light, or any color energy to the feet area, wherever it is itching. It is encircling those areas completely, and then removing all the toxins, all the blockages, all the discomfort and pain. And you know what is happening? It is flushed out of your body, and the Mother Earth affectionately with both the hands accepts it and send it to the cosmos as a light. This is called cosmic communion. That is why, and when you don't get sleep or you get any thought, you feel that your pillow is Mother Earth lap. Feel that you are lying down on the lap of Mother Earth. This cosmic, this small thing, meditation I am doing. This recording, it will be for about 10 minutes. That you can, I'll send the recording. You do every day, morning and evening. That will really take care of you. And one more thing. Imagine that Mother Earth is applying paste of clays on all the area where you are having the itching. That genuine clay they use ना nowadays multani matti ऐसे famous parlor में use करता है ना. You just visualize Mother Earth direct pure clay ko she's applying all over your body, and then completely when washes out, all the rashes, all the eczema, all the itchings have gone out, washed away. How nice it is, na? One more imagination you do. पार्वती गणेश जब पैदा हुआ था, गणेश जी विनायक, पार्वती यूज टू पुट अ ग्रेट नाइस उपटन, that body mask for Ganesh ji. You think that Mata Parvati is doing for you. She is applying all over your body. When Mata Parvati is applying, what you will feel really nice, na? Feel that this both the energies has really blessed you. Now, next is I will tell you the trick. Mooladhara is earth energy. That is, you will chant Lam Lam 7 times. Next, you go to Swadhisthana, water energy. It is Vam. Then Manipura energy is fire energy. That is Ram, chanting only 7 times you chant. Next is Anahata, heart chakra. Yam, green color. Next is throat chakra, Vishuddhi. That is blue. Then your Agna is indigo. Sahasrara is violet. This I will send a guided recording A to you, and also the script I'll send it to you. And in the next class, we'll have a full recording section also, full live section, okay? Now, after you have cleaned all your chakras, now you will